If it takes 5 elves 5 minutes to make 5 dolls, how long would it take 100 elves to make 100 dolls? The clue here, what is the rate at which it takes 1 elf to make 1 doll? So it takes 1 elf 5 minutes to make 1 doll, and since we have 100 elves making 100 dolls, it will take only 5 minutes for each of them to make 1. So the answer here is 5 minutes. Besides certain holidays, what does December have that all other months do not have? You know, give them a clue here, Dancer?
Sure. What does December have that other months don't have? It's a tricky one, but it's a good clue. December.
Yeah, that pretty much gives the answer. The letter D is what December has that no other months have. What does Hanukkah and a dragon have in common? Hanukkah lasts for 8 nights, while dragons also sometimes 8 nights.
Oh, those poor nights.
When does Christmas come before Thanksgiving? You want to give them a clue here, Dancer?
Well, think about the alphabet.
So Christmas comes before Thanksgiving when you are reading through the dictionary. What has a bite but does not have teeth? Hey, Dancer?
Yes?
I don't know about you, but I'm getting a little cold here.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm starting to worry I might get frostbite.